of you. A big salute to all of you. Last but not the least, I want to dedicate a song to the immense love given by you. हम मौत को जीने के अंदाज सिखा देंगे, माना के अंधेरों के गहरे हैं बहुत सा, अरे माना के अंधेरों के गहरे हैं बहुत सा, पर गम है यहाँ किसको आती है तो रात आए, हम रात के सीने में एक शम्मा जला देंगे। एवरीवन तुम साथ हो जब अपने दुनिया को दिखा देंगे, हम मौत को जीने के अंदाज सिखा देंगे, अंदाज सिखा देंगे। थैंक यू।
Thank you so much.
थैंक यू डॉक्टर बत्रा एंड डॉक्टर बत्रा's टीम। मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है यहाँ पे आके, और मुझे बहुत सारे अवार्ड मिले हैं। आज मुझे ये अवार्ड मिला है। मैंने जैसी एंट्री की मुझे धोनी सर ने बोला कि मैं आपको पहले से ही जानता हूँ। मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा यहाँ पे आके। ये अवार्ड सिर्फ अवार्ड नहीं है, ये बहुत बड़ी एक हिम्मत है आगे बढ़ने की। ये सिर्फ मेरे लिए नहीं है, ये मेरी जितनी भी टीम है स्टॉप एसिड अटैक्स की, एसिड अटैक सर्वाइवर इस दुनिया में जितनी भी है, ये उनके लिए है, ताकि आज जिस जगह मैं खड़ी हूँ वो सब आगे बढ़े, हिम्मत करके आए। पहले कोई मुद्दा नहीं था एसिड अटैक को लेके, लेकिन आज मुद्दा है, एक पहचान है, लोग जानते हैं और बात करते हैं इस बारे में। हमारा एक सपोर्ट सेंटर है छाँव, और वहाँ पे बहुत सारी एसिड अटैक सर्वाइवर है जिन्हें हम नॉर्मली सर्वाइवर फाइटर बोलते हैं, विक्टिम वर्ड यूज़ नहीं करते हैं, क्योंकि हम किसी को विक्टिमाइज क्यों करें, क्योंकि ये वर्ड ही एक मजबूती देता है या हौसले को तोड़ देता है, क्योंकि कोई विक्टिम नहीं है, सर्वाइवर हर कोई है, सर्वाइव करता है हर कोई अपनी लाइफ में, और हम सब भी सर्वाइव कर रहे हैं और आगे बढ़ रहे हैं। और एक आज आप सबके सपोर्ट से आज आगरा में एक शिरोज करके रेस्टोरेंट ओपन हुआ है, और उसमें हमारी जितनी एसिड अटैक फाइटर्स है उसे वो चला रही है। आप लोग आगरा आए और उसमें विजिट करें, अच्छा लगेगा। थैंक यू सो मच। थैंक यू सर। थैंक यू सर।
We'll have different beliefs in life. I would like to say a few words about what I think, and I feel, life is not fair, and a lot of us, we face a lot of different situations, and there comes a time in life we deserve to be here. We don't really deserve to go through what all we have been going through, whatever the reasons may be. If you believe in God, it may be God's miscalculation, it may be a lover's idea, or the choices that we would make. But what's important is definitely to accept the outcome, because that's something you can't do much about. And that's what majority of us do. But there are only a few, like the awardees over here, who accept the outcome, but they have the will to fight. And what they do in that process is they create a path for others to follow. Everybody has that will to fight, but at times, the pressure of the moment is so much that you get bogged down and you don't really want to put a fight. But individuals like the ones we are felicitating and honoring, they are the ones that create a path which all the others, they follow. So I think in the process of going through everything in life, what they have done today is they have created a path for others, and people can look up to them as role models, as individuals who have accepted but moved on in life and made the most out of it. So I think a special round of applause for all of them. And at the same time, at this stage, I think it's important to talk about homeopathy also. And Before playing for India, which was before 2004, I was a big fan. The reason being, one of the things I was very scared of needles, and whenever you go to a hospital, I was always scared that, the doctor will recommend me syringes and needles and injections. So my favorite was going to a homeopathic doctor. But after playing for India with all these dope tests and everything coming in, now the career is at stake, so I was very scared to take anything. So that love relationship broke to some extent. But still, thanks to Mr. Batra, he has taken the therapy world over. There's an increasing number of followers. And on a serious evening, just to make it slightly light, I would request him to make something for my friend and my manager who has the habit of getting late. So allopathy has no solution to it, so I would request you to make something that helps him. And
even behind with us.
And maybe, after cricket, because that will be an ideal time for me to start having homeopathy. Something that gets my beard black again, hopefully. Because with a lot of stress that we go through, there's no differentiation between the grey hair and the white beard or the grey beard. So, jokes apart, but it's a real pleasure being here. Thanks to all of you for coming here on this special occasion. And a big congratulations to all the award winners over here. They are really special because, they have definitely paved way or made way for people to follow. And it's just that spark that's really needed, and they are the ones who are providing it. So thanks to all of them, and it's a real pleasure being here. Thank you.
We'll all be there to support you and support you for the cause. Looking at these great heroes, look at them, their indomitable spirit, the way they have encountered problems and impediments in their life and how they have overcome all the challenges to reach here. And we always thought that Shah Rukh Khan and Salman Khan were the real heroes. These are the ones. And we need to... We are here to acknowledge and salute and felicitate these real heroes. At the same time, I think we need to say a big thank you to Dr. Batra for having given his unstinted, unwavering support to this cause. And, as they say that very few people understand why God chose just a few people to be rich and famous. Fewer people understand that in life you become rich only by giving. And in that sense of the term, you are one of the richest people in the world, I know. We always say that the attitude of grabbing impoverishes you. So we have to all take a leaf from Dr. Batra. I also, apart from congratulating these real life heroes, need to extend my warmest and best wishes to the families who have stood behind these real heroes to help them achieve the impossible and come to this point where they are truly, truly the heroes of our times. As Akshay was saying that I was the original funny man, which is the funniest thing I've ever heard. No, I'm not. I'm not a funny man. I'm as fun-loving as you people are. And I used to be fun-loving till the time I discovered that my elder son Ayush was terminally ill. And I stopped laughing. I thought that my life had come to an end. Alka, my wife, me, my family, even Dr. Batra, all his friends, we tried our best to save his life, but unfortunately I could not save my hero. Ironically, his name was Ayush, which means long life, but I saw with the courage and the grit and determination that he fought for his life. And he will and shall always remember the biggest hero of my life.
Mr. Nilesh Singhal.
दोस्तों
हार में भी तो जिंदगी की सीख होती है। संघर्ष का रास्ता कभी ना छोड़ना दोस्तों, संघर्ष ही तो जिंदगी की जीत होती है। जब 14 साल पहले मैंने ये संघर्ष शुरू किया था, तब लोगों ने मुझसे कहा था अकेला चना पहाड़ नहीं फोड़ सकता। तो मैंने कहा था कि मैं मानता हूं कि अकेला चना पहाड़ नहीं फोड़ सकता, पर वो चना जब त्याग की जमीन पे गिरता है और समर्पण का पानी सिंचा जाता है तो अपने जैसे हजारों चने और पैदा कर सकता है। और 14 साल बाद मेरा संघर्ष रंग लाया और हाल ही में मेरे प्रयासों के बाद मध्य प्रदेश में स्पेशली चैलेंज लोगों के लिए एक स्पेशल रिक्रूटमेंट ड्राइव शुरू हुआ और 3000 मैंने अपने जैसे चने पैदा कर दिए हैं। 3000 लोगों को अभी तक रोजगार मिल चुका है और ये ड्राइव अभी आगे जारी है। हो सकता है और हजारों लोगों को यह रोजगार मिले। मेरा मानना है कि जिंदगी जीने के लिए नजर नहीं, नजरिया होना जरूरी है। और अंत में आप सभी लोगों को केवल यही संदेश देना चाहूंगा कि यूं मायूस होकर न सांझ की तरह ढलते रहिए। जिंदगी भोर है, सूरज की तरह निकलते रहिए। यूं एक पेड़ पे खड़े रहोगे तो थक जाओगे, यूं एक पेड़ पे खड़े रहोगे तो थक जाओगे। धीरे धीरे ही सही मंजिल की तरफ चलते हैं। धन्यवाद, धन्यवाद डॉक्टर बत्रा एवरीथिंग को सम्मानित करने के लिए, एक प्लेटफॉर्म देने के लिए। धन्यवाद।
Like Varsha ji, I've been associated with Dr. Batra for the longest time. I can't tell you why. Like all of us have our secrets, this is mine. It's fantastic being here. Hi, Sadaji, how are you? It's fantastic being here because, you know, the measure of a man is always about what he gives back to society. He's achieved so much on his own, but it's wonderful to see him giving back to all these real life heroes. Year after year, running this foundation which gives back to society. And I think you're doing a commendable job. मैं तो बहुत छोटा हूँ, comparison में कुछ भी कहना ठीक नहीं लगता, लेकिन जो आप काम कर रहे हैं, जिस तरह से कर रहे हैं आप भी, I wish you all the very best, and I hope that any time in the future, if you ever need me for anything, I'll be there. Congratulations.
Well, thank you very much. Varsha ji spoke about how long she has known Mukesh ji from the time of his television show. My association goes farther back than that. When actually my wife and I and my little daughter, now very big, and you can see from my grey hair, it was many years ago, when we went to his clinic and actually for the first time got cured from lots of stuff that we had. Our relationship has remained since then. He is a man who has developed so many interests in life. He has a very calm visage, but he has a very, very distant vision. And I think what he does as a singer himself, working with people who are disadvantaged and who are differently abled, you are giving them a platform, you're giving their spirit an outlet and a reach. Not only must I congratulate you in the work that you are doing along with your son, but also the fact that you have found such amazing people whose lives are an inspiration for all of us. And I wish them and you all the best in this great journey. Thank you very much.